Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix task hostage stopping PC from shutting down on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are trying to shut down your PC and task hostage stopping shutdown, then here are the fixes. Right click on start button and choose task manager. And here go to process from the left side and look for any task host application which is in running mode. Look for it. If any task host related, if not found, go to details and here look for task host. Type task host in search field, and if any application is running, simply select it and choose end task. Apply this process for all your running task host.exe app, and after that close the windows and try to shut down your PC. If you are still facing such type of issue, task host stopping shutdown process in your system, then go to the next fixes, open control panel in your system. Here under available features, go to power options. Here from the left side, click on choose what the power button does do, and here scroll down and turn off or disable turn on fast startup. Disable this feature. To disable this feature, from the top click on change settings that are currently unavailable and uncheck the box against turn on faster startups recommended feature. Disable this feature and finally click on save changes from the bottom of the page and check whether you are able to shut down your PC correctly or not. If not, go to the next fixes, one more fixes. The next one is go to Windows search and type system information. System perform recommended maintenance troubleshoot. Type perform recommended system maintenance and troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. System maintenance. Click on advanced and make the check against option apply repairs automatically and click on next. System maintenance. Issue might be found troubleshooting with administrator permission. Try troubleshooting as an administrator. Click on this link and let the window complete the troubleshooting process. If any troubleshoot found, it will not only found, it will repair them accordingly. And then try to shut down your PC and check whether you are able to shut down or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose settings. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of such type of error. So go to Windows Update and click on check for updates from the right side and let the window complete the checking for updates process. If any update available, download and install it in your system. The next one more method is go to Windows search and here type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt windows, execute this 3 DISM tool as shown on a screen. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one in command prompt windows, followed by enter key on each time. Once successfully execution of DISM tool, execute the command sfc scan now, sfc/scan now, and press enter. And let the window complete the scanning process. Wait till 100% verification complete. It will not only scan your system, repair bad system files. After that, try to shut down your PC. Definitely it will shut down.